The world is full of people living ordinary lives, commuting to work, and getting by paycheck to paycheck. But what if there's a way to break free from the average and start building real wealth? In today's video, we're going to teach you the 3 essential stages of wealth building and how to master them. Stick with us until the end, and who knows, this might just be the sign you've been waiting for to take control of your financial future and live the life of your dreams. Don't forget to show some love to Luxo-Life, and let's begin. Why conventional careers don't lead to true wealth first? Let's answer the question. Why do conventional careers often lead to average financial outcomes? The truth is, most traditional jobs are designed to provide a steady paycheck in exchange for your time. While this is great for stability, it often means you're trading hours for money with very limited room for growth. You might get a raise here and there, but there's a ceiling on how much you can make in a job. This keeps you stuck in the cycle of working hard just to maintain a comfortable lifestyle, with little chance of building significant wealth. Now, let's think about why that happens. In a traditional job, you are usually dependent on someone else's business to pay your bills. You don't control how much money you make or how fast your income grows. You're part of a system where your paycheck reflects the value your employer places on your time and effort. And unless you're in a high-paying role or have a great side hustle, your financial situation will likely remain average. To break free from this cycle, it's crucial to shift your mindset from an employee to an entrepreneur. The key to true financial freedom lies in entrepreneurship. When you become your own boss, you shift from trading time for money to building a business that can generate income even when you're not working. Entrepreneurs have the ability to scale their income by creating products or services that serve a larger market. They can also leverage their time by outsourcing tasks, automating processes, and growing their businesses beyond their own personal capacity. This mindset shift is essential for anyone who wants to break out of the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and build lasting wealth. Stage 1. Building a strong foundation with a service-based business now. Let's talk about Stage 1. Building a strong foundation with a service-based business. Starting a service-based business is one of the quickest ways to get cash flow flowing without needing a massive upfront investment. Whether it's freelance work, consulting, or offering digital services, you can start small and with the right skills, quickly begin earning money. Unlike product-based businesses, which may require inventory or large investments, service businesses let you start with just your expertise and time. One of the major benefits of this approach is skill development. Running a service business forces you to wear many hats. You'll learn about marketing, sales, client management, and even finance, all while building your expertise in a specific area. These skills are invaluable and can be leveraged later on when you expand or pivot your business. Plus, by offering services, you can quickly figure out what works and what doesn't, adjusting your business model based on real-time feedback. Another key part of building a strong foundation is networking. The connections you make while building your service business can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Whether it's clients referring you to others or other entrepreneurs offering advice, the network you build will play a huge role in your success. The more people you meet, the more likely it is that you'll land bigger and more lucrative projects, helping your business grow faster. Lastly, establishing a solid reputation is crucial. In the world of service businesses, word of mouth and online reviews can make or break you. Consistently delivering great results for clients builds trust, which leads to repeat business and referrals. Over time, your reputation will become your most valuable asset. If you focus on delivering excellent service and developing your skills, you'll lay a strong foundation that can lead to more substantial wealth in the future. Stage 1. How to scale your service business efficiently. To efficiently scale your service business, one of the best strategies is outsourcing. As your business grows, certain tasks like administrative work or customer support can become overwhelming. By outsourcing these tasks to freelancers or other businesses, you free up your time to focus on higher-level priorities, like attracting new clients or improving your services. Outsourcing is a cost-effective way to grow without the need to hire full-time employees. Another key strategy is automation. With the right tools, you can automate repetitive tasks like invoicing, scheduling appointments, or customer service. This reduces the workload on you and your team, allowing you to focus on more important aspects of the business, while still maintaining a smooth and efficient operation for your clients. Systematizing your operations is also essential for scaling. By creating processes that ensure smooth operations without you having to manage every detail, you can maintain consistency and quality as your business grows. Whether it's using templates for proposals or having a streamlined client onboarding process, well-defined systems allow you to expand your services and manage a larger client base without sacrificing quality. Finally, diversifying your offerings and reaching a larger audience is crucial. By expanding your range of services or tapping into new markets, you open up more opportunities for growth and reduce the risk of relying too heavily on one service. The more people you can serve, the faster you can reach your financial goals and scale your business. Stage 2. Transforming services into scalable products. Stage 2 is about transforming your services into scalable products. Once you've built a solid service-based business, the next step is to create something that can grow without requiring more of your time. The key to this is turning what you do into a product that can be sold repeatedly without additional effort. For example, if you're a graphic designer, instead of doing custom work for every client, you could create design templates that anyone can purchase and use. By making this shift, you can reach more people while working less, which leads to greater profits and more time freedom. A great example of this transition is Melanie Perkins, the founder of Canva. She started by offering design services, but she quickly realized that her true potential lay in building a platform that could help anyone create professional designs without needing expert skills. Instead of offering her time for design work, she created a product that scaled. Canva is now a billion-dollar business, showing how powerful the shift from service to product can be when done right. This change allowed her business to grow beyond her own capacity, reaching millions of users worldwide. Another example is Uber. Originally, Uber started as a service where drivers would pick up passengers. However, the company evolved by turning its service into a scalable platform that connects riders and drivers in real time, making it accessible to anyone, anywhere. By creating a product that connects people through an app, Uber didn't need to expand a fleet of cars themselves. Instead, they leveraged others to scale the business globally. The result? A massive company that's transformed the transportation industry. Stage 2. Leveraging technology and tools for growth. For you to transform your services into scalable products, you need to leverage technology and tools that help you track growth, set goals, and make smarter decisions. There are many tools available to entrepreneurs that can streamline your operations and provide you with valuable insights. Whether it's a project management tool to keep your tasks organized, or a CRM, customer relationship management system to manage your clients, technology can make scaling your business much easier. With the right tools, you can automate many aspects of your business, freeing up more time to focus on growth. Tracking your business data is key when you're looking to scale. By using tools to monitor things like sales performance, customer feedback, and market trends, you can make more informed decisions. This data-driven approach helps you understand what's working, what isn't, and where you need to focus your efforts. For example, if you notice a certain service is generating more interest, you can double down on that area. With access to real-time information, you're always in control and can adjust your strategy as needed to keep the business moving forward. Automating parts of your business is another great way to scale efficiently. Tools that automate tasks like email marketing, social media posting, and customer follow-ups can save you countless hours each week. These automations not only save time, but also ensure consistency in your marketing and customer engagement efforts. By streamlining these processes, you can handle more clients and sales without needing to expand your team drastically. Stage 3. Optimizing for enterprise value and long-term success. Stage 3 is all about optimizing your business for long-term growth and success. After laying a solid foundation and scaling up, it's time to focus on building something that lasts. One of the first steps is creating a strong brand that resonates with your audience. A memorable brand fosters loyalty, and loyal customers are the backbone of any successful business. Whether through a unique value proposition, consistent messaging, or exceptional customer experience, a strong brand ensures long-term growth. Additionally, building a capable team is crucial. As a business owner, you can't do everything yourself, so hiring people who complement your skills and share your vision will help propel your business forward. A great team brings fresh ideas and energy, allowing your business to adapt, innovate, and grow without requiring your involvement in every decision. Capturing a large customer base is another key to long-term success. The larger your audience, the more revenue potential you unlock. Consistently providing value and improving your offerings based on customer feedback is essential to expanding your reach. This could involve diversifying your marketing efforts, entering new markets, or increasing customer retention. With a strong customer base, your business is poised for growth and long-term success. Once your business is optimized, you'll face the decision of what's next, whether to transition to a cash flow model, sell, or take it public. Each option offers different benefits, whether it's stability, a significant payout, or new growth opportunities. The key is knowing when to make the right move to ensure your business thrives for years to come. Stage 3. Investing for wealth preservation and growth. Once your business has achieved substantial value, the next crucial step is to invest wisely to preserve and grow that wealth. Building a successful business is just the beginning. What you do with your profits matters just as much. Smart investing allows you to make your wealth work for you, whether through real estate, stocks, or other opportunities, ensuring your money continues to grow even when you're no longer working actively. Leveraging good debt can be a powerful tool in this process. While it may sound counterintuitive, using debt to invest in income-generating assets like property or stocks can help you earn more than the debt's cost. The key is to use debt productively, making sure it's invested in assets that appreciate in value or generate income, thus amplifying your wealth without risking your savings. Another essential element of investing is diversification. Spreading your investments across various asset classes, like stocks, real estate, bonds, or even other businesses, helps reduce risk and increase returns. By not putting all your eggs in one basket, you're better protected against market fluctuations, as gains in some areas can offset losses in others. Diversification is fundamental for long-term financial success. Lastly, to safeguard your wealth, it's important to protect your investments against market volatility. This can be done through strategies like asset protection, investing in more stable assets during uncertain times, or working with financial advisors who can help navigate market changes. These steps ensure that your wealth continues to grow even in turbulent times. The power of international investing for lucrative returns. Lastly, let's talk about the benefits of diversifying investments internationally, especially in high-growth markets. Investing in emerging economies can offer much higher returns compared to more developed markets. These regions are growing quickly, and getting in early on industries like tech, real estate, or natural resources can position you for significant gains. Additionally, international investments help protect you against risks in your home country. If your local market faces downturns or political instability, your global investments can continue to thrive, balancing out your portfolio and reducing overall risk. Beyond financial returns, international investing opens up new opportunities, like acquiring citizenship or residency in countries offering incentives to investors. This can provide better business prospects, tax advantages, and increased travel freedom. Moreover, international investments can generate passive income streams. Real estate in foreign markets can provide rental income, while international stocks or bonds can offer dividends. By diversifying globally, you're not only growing your wealth but also securing a steady income flow, no matter where you are, giving you more control over your financial future. And that's a wrap. We hope you found today's video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to share this video with others. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to Luxo-Life and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, Luxo lovers.